In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google TV app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app ready to help you discover what to watch across your favorite streaming services. Google TV is a hub that brings movies and TV shows from apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube into one place. It's designed to help you browse everything more easily. Get personalized recommendations, add titles to a watch list you can revisit later, rent or buy movies when you want something specific, and even use your phone as a remote for compatible smart TVs. Think of it as a guide that points you to where a title is available, then hands off to the streaming app that actually plays it. To get the app, start on your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Google TV. In the results, look for the app named Google TV by Google. Select it, then tap Install. Your phone will download the app and set it up in the background. Once you see that it's finished, tap Open to launch it right away. On many Android phones, Google TV is already installed. If you open the Play Store page and see Open instead of Install, that means you're ready to go. Just open the app. For the best experience, make sure you have an active internet connection and that you're signed in with a Google account, since those are required for personalized recommendations, syncing your watch list, and accessing purchases. Inside the app, you'll be able to browse through categories like popular movies, trending shows, and genres tailored to your interests. Recommendations adapt over time based on what you watch and what you mark as interesting. When you find something you want to remember, add it to your watch list so it's easy to find later, whether you're on your phone or another device signed in to the same account. If you're looking for a specific title to rent or buy, you can do that directly in Google TV and it will appear with the rest of your library. There's also a built-in remote feature that lets your phone control compatible smart TVs and streaming devices. It's especially handy for typing search terms or passwords without fumbling with on-screen keyboards. That's it, quick, simple, and focused on making your viewing experience easier. Install Google TV, open it, and start exploring everything in one convenient place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy discovering your next favorite show.